Hey guys, I'm out here around good old Lake Pleasant today. I'm hoping to find some of those fabled thunder eggs out here, and with a little bit of luck, maybe some good chalcedony too. And who knows what else might be out here. So join me on today's adventure as we get this started. There's nothing like a good old dirt road. Yeah, nothing too crazy about that. Oh, looks like we found the first find of the day. Check this beauty out. Oh, wow. That is really pretty. Oh, what's this right next to it? That's an interesting piece of chalcedony. Oh, here we go. Look at this. This is a beauty. Oh, that is nice. Just look at all those swirls in it. This is a keeper right here. Oh, just look at this wild bubbly one. What? That's pretty cool. Wow. Well, we relocated. We're going to see what we can find around here. Well, that's pretty cool. Nothing too crazy about that one. Now we got something neat over here. Look at that guy. That's cool. Maybe I'll take this home and polish this guy up. That's kind of neat. Ooh, what's this here? That's kind of cool. This one caught my eye. It's like a piece of quartz. We'll leave that one behind. Wonder if that won't polish up pretty well. Have to shape it maybe. That's a neat find. Ooh. Oh, what's this right here? Oh, wow. That's kind of cool. Look at that crazy guy. Oh, wow. Might have to cut this guy open. Well, we wound up relocating again, so it's time to check and see what we can find around here. All right, there's our destination down there in that wash. Boy, I can't wait to see what kind of goods might be down there. Here we go. Oh, that's a beauty. Wow. Oh, man. Look at that chalcedony. That is a beauty. Whoa. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Oh, man. Just check this crazy one out. Oh, that is beautiful. This is a keeper right here. Look at this crazy guy. Oh, man. That is some cool stuff right there. Nothing too, oh, whoa, what's this little guy? Huh, that's kind of trippy. We'll leave it behind though. Oh, there is all kinds of goodies out here. Oh wow, just check out all the crazy veins on this. Isn't that incredible? Well guys, that sure was a quick and super fun rock hounding adventure today. Man, I sure found a lot of cool stuff. I can't wait to get home, clean them up, maybe even start cutting them up, especially those bandit ones. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's rock hounding adventure with me. If you did, please be sure to consider hitting that subscribe button and helping this channel grow. All right, my friends, till next time.